session we are going to discuss about the supersonic sound, or we call it as a sonic boom. We know that the speed of sound in air is 330 meter per second. So if any body or if any object is moving in air greater than the speed of sound, then it produces a sound which is called as supersonic sound, or we call it as a sonic boom. So who creates this sound? This sound is created by the fighter jets and some type of jets. And if you consider the bullet which is fired from the gun, some bullets will create these supersonic sounds as they are traveling greater than the speed of sound in air. So the speed of sound in air is 330 meter per second, and if the speed of any object is greater than that, then the object will create the sonic boom. So that means the object or the fighter jet is traveling greater than the sound. What the sound it is creating? It is moving greater than the sound. So when this fighter jet is moving in air, if a person or a observer is under the fighter jet, so he can't hear that sound particularly when he is under the fighter jet. And if the fighter jet passes away for some distance, then he is able to hear that sound. This is due to the fighter jet traveling greater than the speed of sound, and here it produces a shock wave, and it is in the shape of a cone shape. So you have to consider the cone as a 3D. So if any person or any observer comes under this cone, 3D cone, then he experiences the sonic boom. And due to this sonic boom, there will be a minor damage for buildings, and for if any glass, if any items are made up of glass or glass windows or glass doors, the doors will break due to this sonic boom. It creates a frequency of 2200 Hz, but it is having a large amplitude. So due to the large amplitude and sharp sound, it creates a minor damage to the buildings or any items which are made up of glass. And coming to the human audible range, our human audible range is from 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz or 20 kilohertz. So this is our audible range of frequency. If the frequency is less than 20 Hz, we call the sounds as infrasounds. If the frequency range is above 20 kilohertz, we call the sounds as ultrasounds. These infrasounds are produced by rhinoceros and some animals. They create infrasounds, and these ultrasounds are produced by the dolphins, bats, and some other animals which can create ultrasounds. So here ultrasounds and supersonic sounds are different. Here ultrasounds frequency is greater than 20,000 Hz, and supersonic sound frequency is some 2200 Hz. But here we consider the speed of sound wave. Here the speed of sound will be, or speed of the object will be greater than the speed of sound in air. So due to that, a supersonic sound is created. Whereas coming to the ultrasound, due to its frequency, higher frequency, an ultrasound is created. So mainly supersonic sound can be seen in the fighter jets and some different jets, and a bullet which is fired from the gun. But no all bullets will create the supersonic sound, but some bullets which are fired from the gun will create this supersonic sound, and this is known as sonic boom.